guys, welcome to the new episode of Bass Chase. Today we're gonna check out Flea from Red Hot Chili Peppers. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So this fill is, the notes are based on the E minor pentatonic. And what's happening, the basic rhythmic motif is this 16th note triplet and an 8th note. And anyway, the first beat is a preparation for what's gonna happen after. It's just D and E on the 12th and the 14th fret of the D string. The second beat, we have first of these triplets, and it's just G, E, G, 12th fret on the G string and the 14th fret on the D string. And then we have this A that's bent upward. So 3, 4. Okay. The third beat is this. Just down the pentatonic. A, G, E, D. 14th, 12th fret on the G and the D string. This box shape. So 3, 4, 1. And then the fourth beat, so it's again the same pattern, but he plays E, D, B natural, and G that's bent as well. Now it's not really clear what exactly he plays here. It could be this, it could also be he goes down here, or there's many options, right? Could be this. I'm not sure which one it is. I wrote this one down because after the third beat, he stays. I can hear he stays on this D. So I think he probably plays like this. Alright? So all together, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.